How are you guys? So finally I am doing a challenge which I wanted to do since ages, but I never got the time or the product. So like you guys can see from the title, today I'll be eating Maggi for 24 hours. I'm super happy doing this challenge because I'm eating original Maggi after 6-7 months. And before anyone comes at me saying this is unhealthy, don't promote this, I'm not trying to promote this. Please guys, don't try this at home. I eat Maggi like once a week, and I haven't had proper Maggi since a while now. So anyway, it's morning now, and for breakfast, if you know me, you know that I have milk and some dry fruits and maybe some fruits. Today I can't have milk, and that just upsets me so freaking much. Also have a shoot day, and I'm like now depending on coffee for that high energy. So I don't know how I'll get high energy for the shoot, although it's like just a tiny video shoot for Instagram. But still, it's a shoot, so I am like a little worried about that. But right now for breakfast, I'm just gonna have plain simple Maggi with nothing at all, not even chili powder. And because obviously I'm having it after like ages, I can't like wait for it. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started with this video.
Falling, I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws.
You guys, I'm back at my favorite place to have Maggi next to Boo. Hi Boo, say hi. Okay, I'm just like a 5-year-old kid. Anyway, so I have the Maggi here, and while I was making it, the smell, oh my god, I missed it so much. I think the last time I had a really nice plain Maggi was when I was in Dehradun, and that was like in November, I guess. So yeah, I'm super excited right now. Okay, let's go ahead and have this first bite of original Maggi after so many months. Thanks, Corona. So perfectly made, oh my god. This is exactly what I was looking for. Comment down below and let me know if you are like a dry Maggi lover or a soupy Maggi lover. I'm like a dry Maggi lover. Okay, while I'm eating this, I just thought of sharing like a fun fact with you. When I was a child, I used to eat Maggi with like half Maggi masala inside. Like पूरा मसाला नहीं डालती थी क्योंकि वो मुझे तीखा लगता था. Look at me now. And just like that, we are done eating. The taste, oh my god. Nothing can beat original Maggi. Okay, anyway, now I'll just go ahead and lick this plate off camera. And then I'll go and get vegetables, and then I'll see you guys when I make lunch. So, see you after like 2 hours now. Okay guys, so it's lunchtime now, and for lunch I thought of trying out this new recipe of Maggi which I have never tried out before. Basically, I'm combining Maggi with, not combining exactly, I'm making Maggi as one of my favorite dish ever, and that's pizza. So basically I'm gonna make Maggi pizza. I don't know how this will turn out because I'm making it for the first time. Honestly, I am a little afraid to try this out because I'm not sure how this will turn out, and you have to apply sauce on Maggi, and I am completely against ketchup on Maggi. Like, I feel like it's a crime, so I'm sorry for those who love, but like, I'm just a big no-no for that. So I'll have to put on the pizza sauce on it. I'm gonna apply very less of it, but we'll see how this goes. It will be a nice fun experiment. So I have some mozzarella cheese here, bell peppers, onions, pizza sauce, olives, and then finally jalapeno. Oh my god, I found jalapeno after so long. Can't wait to eat this. And then obviously we have the Maggi. So to make this, I just first made normal Maggi, and I didn't cook it completely. I cooked it up to like 80%. And then I added corn flour in it, like 2-3 spoons of corn flour should do. Then just mix it all well together and keep it aside. And in another pan, I added oil and just brushed it all over so that my Maggi doesn't stick to the bottom. And then I just put the Maggi. Basically, you're just making Maggi as the base of the pizza. Once you're done with the shape and the way it looks, then just let it cook for a while. I let mine cook for like about 4 minutes on medium heat. So a lot of time has passed away and I can now smell the Maggi burning. So I'm just gonna flip this anyway. Oh god. Please just flip. Oh my god. Okay, like you can see the Maggi is a little crispier here. Now I'll go ahead and just put the toppings. And now we will just cover and let this cook for some time or until the cheese is melted. Okay guys, few minutes are done. I'm just gonna open this and see. Oh my god, the cheese has melted beautifully. I'm just gonna check the bottom because I don't want it to be burned. Okay, the bottom is cooked enough nicely. So we're gonna just turn this off. Oh my god, I think we just made something amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on a plate now. Can you not? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. We'll just... Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh my god, no, 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 no. Okay, wait. I'll just put this in. You just have to go, done. Oh my god. Okay, there's a little bit of breaking happening here. But that's okay, I guess. I'll just attempt to cut this with a normal pizza cutter. Ta-da! Oh my god! Okay, so my camera battery is low, so we need to get done with this fast. But let me just tell you this, I am surprised this worked out and it looks so delicious. Also, I don't think I'm gonna finish the entire thing by myself, so I'm gonna keep some for my dad. So he can eat if he wants to. But this is like super hot, okay. I mean, I'm not sure how I feel about this because there's pizza sauce, cheese and everything, so it will taste like pizza. If I had to rate this, I'm gonna give this like a 6 out of 10. Definitely not something that I see myself eating a lot, but it's not bad. Like, you can make this for kids. Okay guys, I just got done with my shoot and I'm like tired, but so it's 6:30 right now and this is like my time to eat. I normally have Maggi at this point. If I'm ever having Maggi, it's at this time, but today is a different day. I'm having Maggi all day, so yeah, we're gonna make Maggi again. Wow, what a surprise. Anyway, so I am gonna make white Maggi now. This is again something that I have never made. So normally if you think of Maggi, you will think of the color yellow or maybe red at times if it's spicy. But this will be a white Maggi and I am not sure how I feel about that. Anyway, enough of talking. I think we should now get started with the cooking. To make this, first I used half and half of water and milk and boiled the Maggi in it, the noodles basically. And once it was done, I kept it aside and took another pan. I added oil in it and just kind of stir fried the vegetables also. Yes, this is the remaining from my pizza. So yeah, feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. And then I added some maida, basically all-purpose flour, and just mix it all well. Add in some milk and mix it again. Add in more milk, followed by some cheese. I used processed cheese. And then add in some salt and chili flakes and then just mix it all well. Add in your Maggi and just let it cook for a while and you are done. be honest, guys, this looks and smells exactly like white pasta. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this out. Did I make this? You guys have to try this. I'm gonna give this a, I don't know, I want to give it a 10 on 10 so badly, but like original Maggi is original Maggi. So I'm gonna give this a 9.5 out of 10, which I think is super great. You guys have to try this. I might just make this again and again and again and again. To be honest, this will be quite a lot to eat, and I don't even think I'm gonna eat a lot for dinner now after having this, because it's gonna be heavy. I guess this is the best thing I ate so far today, other than normal Maggi. Obviously, I'm not gonna argue about that, but this is equally good. Like, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna try to finish this. Literally try. If I can't, I'll let you guys know about this, and then I'll see you guys for dinner directly. You guys, I actually can't believe I finished it all. It was that good. Now I'm not sure if I'm gonna have dinner or not. I had amazing plan, like amazing recipe planned for dinner, and I really want to make this. I guess we'll have to wait for 2 hours to see if I'm that hungry or not. Okay guys, so it's dinner time now, and before I even start with my dinner making process, I just wanted to let you guys know that I just got done with the shoot and everything, and I feel so tired today, obviously because I didn't have any, coffee or anything, but I guess junk food just kind of slows down your body, and this is what happens. Like, anyway, now I'm planning to make Maggi Manchurian. Again, a dish which I have never tried before, and I saw the recipe on YouTube, a couple of different recipes. All of them have different things that they do. So I'm just gonna follow the Manchurian recipe that we kind of use, just replace the gobi with Maggi noodles. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm super excited, although I don't have any place in my stomach to put this in, but we're gonna go make this, and I'm gonna make it in small quantity, so don't worry about that. And yeah, let's get started. So to make this, again, I first started by making Maggi. I just took 1 pack, but you can use 2 if you have more people to eat, but 1 pack will make like good 6 to 8 balls. And for the vegetables, I use spring onions, capsicum, carrot. You can use onions also, and you can even use cabbage if you want. Then just add in the Maggi in a bowl and some vegetables. I didn't use capsicum in it, just carrot, half of spring onions, and just mix it all well. Add in your salt, and I also added in green chili and ginger garlic paste. Then add in the corn flour and just make small balls of this. And once the Maggi balls are ready, just deep fry them and make it nice golden in color. You can even use like broken Maggi to cover it. I saw this in a recipe video, but honestly it didn't make any difference, so like just go with it. Done with the Manchurian balls, take oil in a pan and then add in the vegetables. Added spring onions followed by capsicum, and just kind of stir fry the vegetables for a few minutes. And then just add in the balls, and you can make the gravy at home with soy sauce and everything, but I was lazy, so I used this Ching's Veg Manchurian Masala. Basically, you just have to mix the powder with water and just let this cook for some minutes. And that's basically it. Your Manchurian is ready. Oh yeah, we are done with the last recipe. Huge thanks to my mom for helping me make this. Like, literally, she made the balls and she fried them and everything. I just made the gravy, which was basically nothing. I have like zero energy, and this is why you need to eat healthy. Otherwise, your body just kind of slows you down. And I did experience it very well today. So here we have some Manchurian and then we have some plain Maggi because obviously I cannot have rice since it will be cheating. That was my mom's idea again. I thought I'll just eat the Manchurian on its own. But then she was like, nahi nahi, I'll make you some plain Maggi also. So she did that as well. God bless mothers. I'm just gonna eat the Manchurian ball first. Smells like jala hua something. Aankho. Are you kidding me? Bro, no way. Oh my god. Like, I didn't expect this. I was like, कुछ भी बनाया होगा, चलो छोड़ो, खा के खत्म कर लेते हैं. But नहीं यार, ये भी अच्छा बना है भाई साहब. I have like zero place in my stomach right now and I'm just eating non-stop, and that too everything's junk and it's just not well. So yeah, it's definitely a very big change and I like this change. But will I make this again? I'm not sure because gobi Manchurian for the win, bro. But it was just because I was doing this challenge I made this, and if you don't have cabbage at your home, you can make this, but I believe you can find cabbage easily, much more easier than finding Maggi these days. So yeah, also I'm just gonna have the gravy with the noodles now. Let's try that. Not bad. Remember how I told you I don't have place in my stomach? Well, guess what? I'm gonna eat everything on this plate. I think I'm gonna rate this like 6 out of 10. Obviously I'm rating it low because I would prefer gobi Manchurian over this any day. You guys, I just got done eating and yeah, we finished it all, me and my mom. I have zero place in my stomach now and I feel very, very, very lazy and tired. This never happened. Like, I hardly made like 2-3 videos for Instagram today and I'm like so tired. This never happened with me before. Fun way to show you guys not to eat junk a lot. Please don't eat Maggi throughout the day. Have it once in a week or maybe twice max. But yeah, Manchurian was really nice. My mom actually enjoyed it more than me. She also had another idea for me to make right now, Maggi as a dessert, and I literally have no place in my stomach, so I just told her no. Basically, try to make Maggi kheer by mixing Maggi, milk, sugar obviously, and then adding in elaichi powder and kesar if you want. That sounds like a fun experiment to do, but not today, guys. I am just not up for it and I don't want to force my body right now because I can definitely feel the change, and there's also a change happening here which will come up tomorrow. So yeah, the challenge is done for now. It was definitely way too much fun and I was super excited to do this but I didn't see this coming. The tiredness that's there right now is just way too much. Since I have so much energy, I'm gonna not sit here and talk. I'll just go. If you like this video and if you want me to do more such 24-hour challenges in the future, you know what you have to do. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you have any further requests for 24-hour challenges. And yeah, most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye! I can't wait to remove my makeup and just sleep now. Bye!